Yo, today we're gonna talk about this one. This is Le Couvent des Minimes, and they are a niche perfume house. And they made a perfume that is crazy similar to. I don't know if you can see that shit. No, this is a sample of Baccarat Rouge 540. 70 mil of this, I don't know, $400 or some crazy shit. Like the most expensive, one of the most expensive perfumes. More than I will never pay for a perfume. I got this sample from a friend. This I smelled now a couple of times when I was in the store, and it's amazing. Now look at that. Look at that. These beautiful bottles. This is 555 55 euros for 50 mil. Look at that. Huh? Presentation is batch code and everything under there. This is 55, and the you know what the Mason Francis Courjon Paris. He makes crazy, but the crazy thing is it's mostly synthetics in the Baccarat Rouge 540, and it lasts forever. But I spray this. Let me see now. It's different. It's a difference. But it's classic as a woody amber take on mandarin, orange, and vanilla woody to transport you to the sweet tropical lagoon of the Bahia Islands. I think that is in Brazil. The singer blah 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 blah. French Hotel Parfumerie. We only use the finest pressure, so it's 100% vegan actually. It's not as similar as I thought it was the two first time I tried it, because now I have, but they are real similar. And I will say it's 85%. This is a little bit more like how can I say? I find this to be a little bit more. What's the not spicy but like herbs. Yeah, a little bit more herby, I believe, but real similar and not as loud as Baccarat Rouge. But yeah, it's a good offering. One time I tried it, it lasted on my skin for, because when I did 2 sprays one time, it only lasted for like 4.5, 5 hours. And when I did 2 sprays on the hand, it lasted till the day morning after. Like I did it like 8 o'clock at night in the store, and when I woke up, it was soft skin scent, but I could definitely smell it. So yeah, uh, 55 euros for 50 ml, or 400 and something dollars, euros. I don't know. I think it's like 3,000 Norwegian. It's like 400 American dollars. So 300 euros something maybe for 70 ml, I believe. Maybe it's 250, maybe on a deal online or whatever. But this is crazy expensive for 70 ml. Yeah, they are similar. Real similar. Thanks.